Understanding the phrase, welding station, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, welding station. This is an interesting term, especially for those interested in industrial or technical fields. So, let's dive in and understand what a welding station is all about. Before we get into what a welding station is, it's important to understand the term, welding, itself. Welding is a process used to join materials, usually metals or thermoplastics, by melting the workpieces and adding a filler material to form a strong joint once it cools down. It's a fundamental technique in areas like manufacturing, construction, and engineering. A welding station refers to the specific area where welding activities take place. It typically includes several key components. Welding equipment. This can be a welding machine, rods, wire, and other tools used in the welding process. Safety gear. This includes protective clothing, gloves, and most importantly, a welding helmet to protect the eyes and face. Workbench or table. A sturdy surface where the materials being welded are placed. Understanding these components helps in grasping the full concept of a welding station. Safety is paramount at a welding station. The process of welding can produce harmful fumes, intense light, and heat, which can be dangerous. Therefore, proper ventilation, appropriate safety gear, and adherence to safety protocols are crucial to prevent accidents and health hazards. Welding stations are used in various industries, from automobile manufacturing to building construction. They are essential in any field that requires the joining of materials in a durable and permanent way. Understanding the context in which welding stations are used can give us a better appreciation of their importance in the modern world. I hope this video has helped you understand what a welding station is and why it's important in various technical fields. Remember, welding is not just about joining materials. It's an art that requires skill, precision, and safety. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting English language learning content.